Hello children, our chapter is sound, noise and music. What is noise? See, the unwanted, irritating sound that is referred to as noise. So it is produced by some non-periodic vibrations. Music. See, the sound which is pleasing to our ears, or else the wanted pleasant sound that is referred to as music. Music is produced by periodic vibrations. Noise pollution. The presence of excessive or unwanted sound in the environment. It sometimes affects the human health and also other organisms. That is referred to as noise pollution. Causes of noise pollution. So it is caused by many ways. For example, noise from vehicles, noise in the surroundings, noise in the industrial sectors, firecrackers, because firecrackers explode with a sharp and loud sound. These high intensity crackers are the sources of noise pollution. And then gadgets for entertainment purpose like tape recorders, radio, transistors, television, when it is played in high volumes. Domestic appliances like coolers, air conditioners, washing machines, mixers cause air pollution. Harmful effects of noise pollution. See, actually, it has a widespread effect on human health and environment. For example, effect on our health, ears. See, the ear membrane, that is eardrum, may be ruptured due to this sound. And also hearing problems will occur, and then sometimes we lose our ear sensation due to noise pollution. And also heart. See, if it is very noisy in some noisy areas, the people may suffer high blood pressure. Sometimes it leads to heart attack also. And also problems related to digestive system may also occur. And then due to this loss of concentration, and then it interferes our sleeping. So birds also leave their place due to noise pollution. Measures to limit noise pollution. See, firecrackers should be banned. Functions should be organized indoors. Domestic appliances should be lubricated and maintained timely. Vehicles, we have to maintain it properly on time. Factories have to be built outside the township areas. And then we have to plant more number of trees along roads and buildings. Aeroplanes should not be allowed to fly at lower altitudes over the residential area. And then machines should be checked regularly and damaged mechanical parts should be changed. Hearing impairment. Hearing loss is also known as hearing impairment. See, sometimes it is a partial or total inability to hear. A deaf person has little to no hearing. Partial disability is generally the result of a disease or else from the birth or else due to some minor injuries. Hearing aids. See, a small electronic device, okay, that we can wear or behind our ear. The person who is having some hearing impairment. So it makes some sound louder so that a person with hearing loss can listen, communicate with the and participate. So because of this hearing aids, the people with the hearing disability also can hear everything and communicate. Sign language. See, it is just a manual communication to convey something. Usually it employs the hand gestures or movements. Sometimes our movements of our fingers, arms or body, and also it relates the facial expression. to relay some people's idea. Answer the following questions. What is noise pollution? What are the harmful effects of noise pollution? Distinguish between noise and musical sounds. What steps should be taken to reduce the effect of noise pollution? What are the causes of noise pollution? Refer chapter 13, page number 166 and 167.